You think you're lazy. You tell yourself, I'll start tomorrow. I just need motivation. But tomorrow never comes. And slowly, you start believing something is wrong with you. But here's the truth. You're not lazy. Your brain is overloaded. You wake up with plans. You want to work. You want to improve. You want to be consistent. But instead, you scroll. You delay. You avoid. And at the end of the day, you feel guilty. So you promise again. Tomorrow, I'll do better. But the cycle repeats. Not because you're lazy, but because your brain is carrying too much. We live in a world where you have too many goals, too many distractions, too many decisions. Your brain is constantly switching tasks. And when your brain is overloaded, it chooses the easiest path. Do nothing. Not because you're weak, but because you're overwhelmed. You want to get fit, make money, start a business, learn skills, fix your routine, all at once. So your brain doesn't know where to start. And when everything feels important, nothing gets done. Your brain is addicted to easy rewards. Short videos, social media, instant entertainment. These give you quick dopamine. So when it's time to do real work, your brain resists. Because real work feels slow and boring compared to instant pleasure. You rely on motivation. But motivation is unreliable. Some days you feel like working. Most days you don't. Without a system, you depend on emotions. And emotions change every day. Here's how you fix it. 1. The one goal rule. Pick one goal. Not 5. Not 10. Just one. Clarity removes overload. 2. The 10-minute rule. Don't aim for perfection. Just start for 10 minutes. Starting is the hardest part. Once you begin, momentum takes over. 3. Dopamine detox, simple version. Reduce distractions. Less scrolling. Less noise. Give your brain space to focus again. Stop calling yourself lazy. You're not broken. You're just overloaded. And when you fix your input, your output changes. Start small. Stay consistent. And remember, you don't need more motivation. You need less distraction and more clarity. If this helped you, subscribe for more. Because this might be the shift you needed.